In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set a password for a workbook in C#. What's up, coders? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about setting password protection using IronXL in C#. So before we dive in, make sure that you have IronXL already installed. So let's open up our program CS file where I've got the code ready for us to explore. So we start by adding using IronXL in the beginning, and this lets us harness all the power of IronXL. Next, we're going to load an existing Excel file named sample.xlsx. Load that into the workbook and make sure it's not password protected. We can also open a protected spreadsheet file to change its password. So look at this commented line of code. Just pass the password as the second argument. We can also open a protected spreadsheet file to change its password. So look at this commented line of code here and just pass the password as the second argument. Now comes the cool part. We're going to be applying a security measure to our spreadsheet by using a password. So we use the encrypt method to lock it up with a password. For this example, our secret password is Iron Software. All right, just like that, with one line of code, we've put a lock on our workbook with the password. So let's save our changes, keep our secured workbook safe and sound. So now let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. Output is generated, and let's check it out. And the file is now password protected and requires a password to unlock. So let's enter the password, which was Iron Software. Here we go. And we have the contents of the file. So there you go. You successfully learned how to set password protection for your workbook using the IronXL library. But that's not all. There's a ton of stuff that you can do with the IronXL library. So just keep exploring and trying new things. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you like some more useful tips and tricks from Iron Software. If you haven't tried out the software yet, there's a link in the description below. Click on it, and then you can go to the site, download, install the program, and check out the power firsthand.